Toy Pursuit. Let's go!
Hey Nightwing, check out my new motorcycle.
Wow, Hulk, that motorcycle looks great.
Check this out.
Whoa!
Why don't you go grab that bat pod and let's go for a race?
Okay, race on. Let's go. Okay, how about we race one lap around the jail? I don't want to go very far because Batman could be back any time.
Okay, that sounds good. See you at the finish line. Hulk wins! Nightwing, where did you go?
I went into turbo drive, but it was a little too much turbo. Nightwing, not again. This is about the third bat pod that I have had to send in for repairs. Okay everybody, this may be the end of this video, but there are a lot more Imaginext videos on the channel. Be sure and check them all out. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time here at Toy Pursuit.